Hey there, little explorers! Today, we're going to learn about mindfulness. It's a superpower that helps us feel calm and happy. Mindfulness means paying attention to what's happening right now. It's like focusing on your breath or how your body feels. Let's try it together. Breathe in slowly through your nose and out through your mouth. Great job! Imagine you have bubbles inside you. As you breathe, feel them pop and make you feel light and happy. Awesome! You've just practiced mindfulness. Remember, you can use this superpower anytime you need to feel calm. Thanks for joining us today. Don't forget to subscribe for more fun and relaxing videos. Bye!